Hey, hi guys, this is me riteshsingh. So today I will be showing you guys how to install Homebrew in your Macbook M1. So it's a quick hack. So first thing that you need to do is like you need to copy this command, the first command that it's there. Just copy this command and run in your terminal. It will be going to ask for the password. You need to provide the system password that is there. So it's asking to press enter for starting of installation, or for example if you want to abort the installation you can press any other keys. So I am starting with the installation. So downloading is happening as of now. Let's wait for few minutes. So I think the Homebrew is currently downloaded and is installed. So the next step that you need to do is copy this to command. So here this is the command that I am. So here what you need to do in place of XXX you need to give your user ID. What I mean to say is, like, for example, it's currently it's riteshsingh, so I need to provide riteshsingh here, and that's how I need to run it. So copy this command. So what will it basically going to do is it will going to set Homebrew in your environment path. So once this is done, the next command is like you need to execute this line, and yep, and I think it's installed. So let's see whether it is installed or not. So yeah, so yeah, it's installed. So yeah, so I hope you liked this video, short and crisp. Just please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.